here we are. Gonna go play in the snow. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. That park is closed or is open? Parece que está meado, look. We're ready to go have some fun. I think that one is closed. I know. This is dirty. It hurt? I think that one is closed with a lock. Come, Julie. Hey, look at Julie. Say hi. Yay. Look over here, Mama. Look over here. Come. Yay. Come, Zisa. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay.
It does not fun. It does not fun.
Oh, look, somebody built a snowman. Don't tear it down.
I know. So cute. Oh, they got ornaments for the eyes and the thing.
Uh-huh.
Get up.
Julie, you're stuck. You're stuck. Say cheese. Yay!
This is like soft stuff.
Let me see. Say cheese. Hey! Uh-oh. Push daddy. Go get daddy. Oh my gosh. What in the world?
Okay, Mama. Let's go.
Oops.
Yeah. Hold it. You got it.
This is Julie's first time playing in the snow. Yay, Mama! Oh my goodness! Oh!
Ah, look at my phone.
Ay.
Water resistant.
Ay, Isa, be careful. That's so slippery there. Oh my gosh! Look at Juliana.
Daddy, I need help.
Sí,
Huh?
sí, Mama.
Need help?
Uh,
Get there.
What happened?
Slip.
I need help.
What about you, Lisi from Lisi's house?
I need help.
My phone. Se frizó. Oh, se rompió. The thing is inside. What happened? You stuck?
No, that's slippery.
Oh my goodness, be careful.
Let me see, Julie.
Daddy, I need help. Ah, Daddy.
Yay!
Help.
Julie, say cheese. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Julie, say cheese.
Mama.
Okay, go ahead. Woohoo! Yay!
It's not good?
Let's give them.
Take this out.
Is that one
Take it out.
picture with
Let me
Julie?
see.
Daddy, I throw the cola at you.
What, this?
Hey, Mama.
Go ahead, go, Chelsea, go, Isa.
Okay, Mama.
Isa, look over here. Julie. Julie. Yay! Say cheese.
Daddy, you see smoke coming out of my mouth. Look.
You gotta do snow angels like this. Look.
Oh yeah, do a snow angel. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right, that's a nice one.
Hey, Julie.
Oh, bubbles.
Daddy, hold it.
What is it?
Look at the bubbles.
Imagine, damn, it's really winter. It's not Florida. Imagine Puerto Rico. I want to be in the sun. Yay.
Alright, be careful, Isa. You can't go up walking. Come on, Lisi, for Lisi's house. Julie, who you rooting for? Tackle her, tackle her. Get her, get her. Ivy. Hi. Push her, push it out. Yeah. Yeah. Look, Juju. Look at Ma.
How
Damn.
about the tackle that snowman?
Damn. Bendito, they made that poor snowman. They even put a little thing around his neck.
Tell Julie.
Julie just tirada there. Go, we Jul, Isa.
Go ahead.
Beautiful. Awesome.
Snowy.
Can go. Do the snow angels, go. Try to make a nice pretty one. Let me see.
Hi. Hi, Julie.
Hi.
Hi.
Beautiful, honey. Oh. In New York City. Imagine. Oh, they did? Let me see.
Look on the side.
Let me see.
Look.
Little bunny.
Oh, yeah, look.
Look. Look.
Oh, that's funny. I wonder who made that. I know, right? Because it looks so clean. Come, princess.
What's more snow is it?
Go ahead. Oh, I know what you mean. Okay.
What did I do to you guys?
You couldn't tackle him?
Yeah, your phone.
Mommy,
Put it in Daddy's pocket.
the snow angel.
No, get up.
Everybody's just getting tossed around. Look at Julie, look at Julie.
Hey. Should we walk to the supermarket to get the plátanos?
The aguacate, right?
Yeah, come on, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna go get some plátanos, some avocado at the supermarket for some soup that I'm making. how it evaporated. Anyways, y'all, this is not PR,
Imagine a car like this.
and this is not Florida.
Imagine a car like that.
Look at the girls.
Hey! I'm gonna go make a body from over there. For the other.
You did that?
Yeah.
You
Not me, Jonathan did that. Because we're trying to make a snowman.
Julie! Yay!
Okay, so you know what Pat's doing? He kind of almost pooped out himself.
How are we gonna accomplish it? I think this is too soft. How are you gonna put another ball on top?
Well, if I keep patting it down, it's not gonna stick.
And I'm gonna go get another head. I got this one now. And it messed up.
Be careful, you can't go up here.
I
That's the little hat.
That's a little hat.
This is the one they made over there?
Hi, Chelsea.
Go down, go down.
That was fun. I almost had my.
But that snow, you throw it.
Sí,
se-
es
doesn't-
like fluff.
I almost felt like I was gonna die.
Oh, watch it with Julie. She's in the middle of it. She's in the middle of the war.
You wanna go down with Jonathan? Go down the sidewalk.
It's mad slippery. Ay, be careful. Why are you running? Ay, Dios mío. Careful. Watch it with her leg. Look.
You got it?
Yeah, she's going down.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Go ahead, guys.
Together.
Cógela, cógela.
You saw my
Imagine trying to take his head instead and I put his head.
You ready?
Yeah. Actually,
And we're like,
Ay, la goja. Ah, la goja. Your phone. Your phone. Chelsea, your phone, no?
where is it?
I saw it.
Hey, you would have left it right
I
there.
saw it. I was like, I saw your phone.
The phone.
Ya, vamos,
Put
vente.
that in your pocket.
You ready to go up, John?
My hat, you like showing.